Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to remove space in Excel between text. So let's start this my Excel and here you can see I have some names. So I'm going to remove this space between the first and last name. So let's start. So normally people just double click on the cell and use this backspace to remove the space. But here I show you the shortcut way to remove the space. Simply select the range of data. After that, use the Control F and here you can see the find and replace dialog box is open. Then click on the replace tab and in find what just give the space. Just give here the space. Okay, and after the in replace what replace with. Okay, so space replace with no space, so here don't give the space. Okay, so if you have any space then press the backspace and remove the space totally. Okay, so replace with no space. Okay, after that click on the replace all done. We made 15 replacement. Okay, close this dialog box and see here all text is remove the space. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.